You're late. The world is in chaos.
In the year 2040, the Elohim Council and all the elements of the universe has combined together to create a new breed of humans.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, the story's about chosen. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story.
Decades ago, we were given a promise that Tristan would return in a new form. I still believe this. The Elohim Council and I believe the boy needs rest. After traveling 20 billion kilometers from Earth in light speed, the boy will need rest. If him go war with somebody, no, he puts himself at great risk of going into hibernative coma. That will last for at least 6 months. We can't risk that. After training, the boy should rest now. His body is drained, seeing it's his first light speed travel. You must keep him here for the next 2 weeks before any form of activities. Where is the boy now?
He's inside.
Though speed is an important element in Tai Chido, you can't win a battle over your opponent without stamina.
And we are talking about Guardian. Me got this.
Now let the test of stamina begin. Let's see how well you swim.
You know me just be a door.
You need to rest for at least 2 weeks, Xayma.
No, sir. Me not even feel sleepy yet, much less tired.
Our Guardian are talking about. Me have to go over the main island and see what I want. Sleep are the last thing on my mind. Me know me I run a little late, you know.
A little late? You were ready from last week with those vegetables.
You know we have been having drought for the past 4 weeks. Plus the stigma that something is in the air poisoning off the population. I'm doing the best that I can if you ask me, you know. Oh, me a cough, so.
I'm running a restaurant, Dave, and I cannot do that without Grandpa Vigilant.
I will get you what you need, but I still need the sun to help me with my crops. This weather is ridiculous. And what is man? And where the coffee come from? And where the drunk or brown cow is? Why?
Breaking news, the Sun City authorities have just confirmed the breakout of pathogen from the state-of-the-art correctional center known as Null. Pathogen is a highly engineered cyborg armed with lethal gases and coronaviruses, deadly enough to seriously injure or kill anyone within a 6 feet radius of him. His breakout leaves the trail of 24 dead officers, 6 inmates and 3 physiologists. Thanks to the government's eye-in-the-sky drones, we are able to produce these footages safely. These images broadcasting to you now are areas in Sun City. Pathogen has somehow managed to block the rays of the sun, preventing it from emitting any heat as he blankets the land with his poisonous gases. There are limited time left as scores of people are vacating the city. Please be advised to wear a mask upon venturing outdoors. This is the Sun City Midday News as we deliver the latest news to you. Pathogen was last seen on Dakers Street. Please be advised to stay 6 feet or more from him. His gases are extremely dangerous, and there are no chosen to come to our rescue.
The umbrella and must can protect we from them things that we are coming our lungs. Do we are go do road and we now wear no mask?
That's right. Don't wear any mask. Let my virus spread.
Yo, earhead. 6 feet or more. I can't allow you to take any more lives.
That's strange, because right now my virus is making its way into your nasal passages, forcing its venom into your lungs. Soon you will find it harder to breathe. Soon you will wish you were dead. What?
I know. Impressive, right?
Impossible.
Look like me burn out all of your virus.
Settle down. Mask. Xayma, clear the air.
No problem. Just take care of our guest.
You're forgetting one thing, Guardian. Me have a blaster.
You sure you want to do that? So primitive. Blasters will solve nothing. Xayma, pathogen is nowhere in sight. What's your status?
I just broke into the stratosphere. Pathogen must have put in a lot of work to have his gas elevated to this level. Now I must concentrate on each molecule of the corona to burn it out of the clouds and not destroy anything else. Okay, time to go Nova.
Yeah, we can see the sun again.
That's my name, don't wear it out. Stop playing, Pathogen, your charade is over.
You sure about that?
You change your look. How you did at the workout?
Thanks to the Guardian's lightning blast from the sword of Elohim, it modified my circuits. Upgrade.
They always tell him the sword cut 2 ways. But that's a move that's redundant.
You only managed to stall the inevitable. Even you, Jamaican, will fall to my feet when I'm through with this atmosphere you people crave to pollute.
You were a scientist once. How can you do this? How can you kill thousands of people just for your selfish goals?
have ingested free will. The human race is designed to destroy itself. I am just pressing fast forward.
Not if I can help it. I have already neutralized your virus.
That's true. But you still can't stop me.
Why not?
Because I have a blaster.
Seriously? What I'm about to show you, I hope you're ready to see. This world, as complicated as it is not what you think. What you see looks peaceful. Well, look again, and you'll see it through my eyes. What I'm about to reveal is what I learned from your father. This world as you know it is in danger. Every 50 years, the planes of the multiverse merges, opening a doorway for Condoleezza's shadow warriors. Are we out of sleep? You!
It has begun. You must be prepared mentally and physically. The entity has declared destruction on this earth. I'm training your new pupil. You will in turn release a weapon more dangerous than nuclear blasts. You don't know the dangers that faces you in training Xayma Cross.
What if he's right? My father couldn't stop them. What makes me so special? What makes me so different? What make you think I am the one? He's weak.
You are improving, Xayma. Today you remain submerged for 7 hours. You have come a long way since you almost drowned in the barrel.
I almost drowned because you see the barrel. And why the islands are quiet? You don't own a radio?
I like the quiet, that's how I meditate. So no loud noise, Aya.
Don't worry, you won't hear a pin out of me.
Yee-hoo! He is the one.
He will stand with us when the time is right. I know it.
I'm out! Yes!
No. At the rate this variant is spreading, I won't be able to reduce the effect from here without doing permanent damage to the earth. I must get to the source. If me not get to him soon, the globe will enter a rapid cold, and this will kill billions of people. This was Pathogen's plan all along. If now get with it, me I come for your Pathogen. Doc. This will complete phase 1 of my plan and kickstart the machine that will lead to the destruction of the human race.
I knew me would have find here, so. For a cyborg, Dr. Patterson, you're not very intelligent.
My scanners indicate that you're operating on less than your full capacity. I just have to execute one good shot. It's not possible. Oxygen is up. It's even less than half its power level. So how can you still be alive after that blast? I see you still managed to do a few more upgrades. Well, a little heat can crash any good software. Let's see what a lot can do. No! Don't do that! I just want one good shot. Give it up, pathogen. You're not fast enough. You can't outfly me either. Pathogen is getting away, but I can't leave without giving these people a hand.
Never see nobody do them something about it. Man can put your fire in that car. Is that chosen? I want to have a man. You can't fly the man in a fly.
There you are. Sorry, guys.
Hey,
If you'll excuse me. Time to execute my plan and release the nanobots to make these humans sick.
What kind of dust?
Pathogen, stop this! Quick, everyone, let's find shelter. Go inside. Jamaican, you're bothering me. This is the machine you've created to infect millions. You don't understand, people. We won't give up.
And you don't understand the concept of a fight. This world is mine, Jamaican. Cybernetics are here to stay.
You want to bet? This is the source. Your whole infrastructure is within that building. Your drone-shaped bots are your final weapon to eliminate the humans who resist your plague. We can destroy 2 birds with 1 stone. We just have to keep him inside of the building.
Your race is doomed.
Shut up! You know hear what the Guardian say? Take care of yourself. A good call to make. His bot-shaped drones are being destroyed along with the source.
I will be back. You hear me, Jamaican?
Come back from that.
Garden lit.
Crisis averted.
Homing girl, I'm going to need you down there on recon. Salvage everything you can of Dr. Patterson, aka Pathogen.
You're the boss.
There's more to this than what we know. It is important to always wear your mask until this crisis is over.
Remember, the power is in you. Wear your mask, sanitize, and save lives.
We will be watching.
It's hard to admit, but people will always criticize you and want to put you down. Having a good support team is always a plus. At times it's going to be difficult, especially when you set out to venture your own path and others are saying you won't make it, or rather can't make it. But knowing I just saved the world, I can live with that.
You know, Guardian, since I have to patrol these streets every day in search of criminal activities, I think what Phoenix proposed about me having to take my rest for 2 weeks is not feasible. Because every time I phase into my alter ego, I get a burst of renewable energy. So so I don't have to rest as he predicted. You see what I say?
You sure about that? Me can lead donkey to water, but me can't force him to drink.
Fire broke out at the Jamcalco plant earlier this morning. The firemen were early on the scene and managed to keep the fire under control with the aid of the Guardian and one of his chosens. Authorities are saying this was an act of sabotage. Stay tuned as we discuss the side effect of drugs offering to treat vaccine dosages gone wrong after a massive coronavirus attack by pathogen.
One more failed attempt on Xayma's wretched life. Tell me, Curse, did you make sure the giant got my gift?
Oh yeah.
It's just a chaotic season. I did try to warn you, Guardian.